Welcome to Michael's Aviary channel.
It's going up.
That gate's closed.
Oh, it's a greenhouse.
Yeah, he does cycads. And
Oh, he's a plant guy.
He is a plant
Last.
guy. Look, down here, there's white swans in this pond. See here?
Oh, yeah.
I sold them the breeding pair.
Oh. Does he breed cycads?
Yeah.
Oh. We go there. This is the last stop?
Last stop.
We spend a lot of time there.
And here is he's doing duck and waterfowl aviaries more. These hold mandarin ducks, Carolina wood ducks, peacocks, pheasants, black swans, all sorts. Where do we park? Here? Go to his house?
This is not his house. Oh, peacock. Oh.
Come in.
Filipino, so you know little Tagalog?
She only speaks Tagalog.
Who, the girl? Huh?
The girl that's here working.
Not good
Tagalog.
with, English?
She speaks English. She doesn't speak Visayas.
Whoa, that's the sea.
That is the sea. You live on an island, don't get that excited.
Because I live in the middle of the Philippines. I haven't seen sea.
Rubbish.
Yeah, we're very far from the sea.
Yes, swin ho, golden, yellow golden.
So, oh, you have lots of birds.
Lots of manok.
Manok, yeah.
Too many manok.
Turkey.
We are at our last stop for today. So we're still in Northland. We're in Whangarei. We're at Nature's Key, which is the home of David Graham and his aviary manager Leno Dima. This is a quite varied collection of parrots, pheasants, waterfowl. So we're just going to show you guys around here and let you guys have a look. There's a lot to look at.
Oh, they have dance one here.
All sorts here.
This one is from Australia, right?
We don't have any Indonesian sulphurs.
I have.
Yeah, no, all the sulphurs here are Australian.
I have a lot. These are splits, normal? Or
Mix.
splits?
Mix.
Mix. Mix. Frozen paper.
Nice. English.
Sorry, if they've been the oxygen machine.
Okay. The other thing, hey. Yeah. So you can see these aviaries are more natural type. Outdoors, the way we,
How
you know.
come your bird doesn't reach for the wood?
It can't. The wire mesh is on the inside. They can a little bit, but not a lot. So Major Mitchell, Gang Cockatoo.
What's in here?
Oh, Major Mitchell, next one.
Oh! Is it I think it's common for gang to flock. You think so? This is the male.
That's the male.
Is this a breeder?
He is a breeder. They've got a young female here that they bred a couple of seasons ago.
So these are the citrons.
These are
These
two
are
pairs of
citrons,
citrons, yeah.
These are an adult pair.
Yeah.
And then next door is a young pair. I think I
Before I
bred
started.
one and David bred the other one from this pair next door. That's how it was, wasn't it?
What's
Yes.
that?
That male David bred and
Yes.
I bred the female and we swapped
Yes,
it.
swapped it and then he got the male back.
Yeah.
Beautiful pair, that pair.
Yeah.
Immaculate.
Nice. They'll be coming up three.
Older than that, they'll be coming up. How old will those citrons be coming up? 4, 5?
Which one?
The young pair.
Mayo, I think this is 4.
Is this
Yeah,
the
because
fourth?
it's 2021. And 10 is from your place. I don't know. I think it's 3 or 4. I think it's
Yeah, 3 or
the
4,
girl is
yeah.
1 year younger.
The more Major Mitchells.
Yes. You have more citron. You have a citron there in your place now.
Yeah,
you have
still got
the story here.
Two and a half pair and a single male.
Yeah. Well,
Two single
and
males.
young males, yeah. I put one male with the
But all the citrons that you have the same bloodline. Or not? You have different
No,
bloodline?
I have a different bloodline.
No,
The one
female
male
is here.
with the,
They're trying to bond it.
They were bonded, they bred.
Wow.
He wants too much boom boom and is a little bit too hard on her, so they've had to separate. They've been separated now for a year.
How will you know
hello,
it's
darling.
safe to put them
When they sit side by side on the pitch.
hi.
It's too scared.
Yeah. It's very nice now. Much better.
Yeah.
Which one?
So these are waiting for maturity.
No, they are mature. They're waiting for aviaries. It's like every bird breeder. Too many birds, not enough aviaries.
Nice problem.
But
this is the place where
this is where Eric Anthony's filmed your Maiko's aviary video.
This is start to stay here, building more aviary. There,
Looking good, eh?
I'm so excited.
Yeah. And then you can move these guys all in there.
Yeah.
What?
If you take the shot, the sun is
Yeah, in the wrong way, yeah, that's the problem. Oh, maybe down here. Better. This way. Oh, this is better.
Hot season now, yeah. What was the temperature today in Philippines?
37, 39.
39.
Going 41. But the summer.
Yeah, hot season. Lutino split, normal, black-eyed white.
There he's coming to get you.
Oh, he loves me. Do you still love me? Do you still love me? Oh, you still love me. Oh, you still love me.
So remembers them.
Remember when you had him
You had puppy
and that group?
already? Oh, cool. Nice. Do
And when
have
you
to
had
help
him,
or you just...
you still go.
Ness and Ari are on it.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
You can do that.
See the colour in the tail?
Hello. Yeah.
It's not white like a Lutino. And see the eye on the male
Take this off.
is normal and the female is red. So it's not Lutino, which is red. And the white on the back
Go on, do it. Because
and the white on the back is a lot more of a lighter grey. Yeah. So this is another different mutation than what
You think it's recessive?
it is recessive. It's a recessive gene. So anything you breed with a black-eyed white is split if it comes out normal looking. So you can breed a Lutino with a black-eyed white and
These are
have
what you need.
split
These ones.
black-eyed white Lutinos.
grey layer underneath their wings and underneath their tail. Now that's the hen.
Mm. So you can add these to your videos. How many pairs of black-eyed whites have you got now? I mean, he's improved feather quality wise, and didn't have a thing with his eyes. He always had like
I'm not
dusty
allowed to
looking
talk
cloudy
to
eyes.
him. You telling me to go away?
He looks good though.
Yes.
Sparky the Galahad one that. I think he's more interested in plants than animals.
Uh-huh. Oh, we have them.
Not the Chinese, Canada.
This one we have.
Yeah, no, the one outside here.
Oh, black one. I have ordered.
Dream come true. So this is all going to be aviaries here.
What do you have? No.
Just eucalyptus and 2 baby sunflower. That's a hen.
Yeah.
Female.
That would be cool, yeah.
This is the nursery. This is double.
Magna, yeah.
Double yellow still.
Still magna, just not high yellow.
But
He's aggressive. House.
oh,
But this is where he incubates all the eggs.
it's cold.
No, chicken shit.
Yeah.
Chicken shit. No worries, no problem. Look at how.
Tsaka and also biosecurity. Whoa, you have the expensive one. Monstera.
Oh,
Nice setup.
Yeah. I just transferred the young birds to there because You have only 2, and when you keep here, you need to put the. So this is the incubator. Yeah, incubator. Before it hatch, do you use a hatcher? No, I just use this one here. Oh, for hatching. Oh, really? So you remove it from the incubator to the. Why? Because I don't like to have contamination, and if it has inside, you have poop and blood, and can grow more bacteria. And this one is a brooder. Is a brooder, yeah. Brooder. Yeah. And these 2, this here I used for hatch the peacocks and pheasants. I see. Nice setup. Yeah, I took a video already. They're so famous in the Philippines. I don't know why.
Yeah, we'll come up once my babies are all weaned. I'm still feeding. I've been too soft this year and weaning. I should have started them a lot earlier.
This is the future, another additional project for David. And Parrot International is checking the specs. What a view!
Look at this. That's his big
One aviary.
30-meter aviary down there.
Oh,
One flight.
fuck, the birds will get tired. You should have something like refreshment at the end of the.
Refreshment there
Yeah,
it is.
you need that. Coffee or, cold drinks. So long.
Thanks for visiting Michael's Aviary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more bird keeping content. See you in the next video.